Hey folks, Rob here, and we've caught a little break in the weather. It's getting cold outside, but it's stopped raining for a little bit. So I thought we'd bring this Hatfield SAS out and put some rounds through it. And what I brought out to run through it today, or try to run through it, is we have some Wolf double-aught buck. Those are 9-pellet double-aught buck. 9-pellet, 2 3/4 inch double-aught buck. So got a box of those to try through it. And guys, I must be crazier than shit, because I said I'd never shoot no more of these, but for the sake of the video, I have some of these 12 gauge 3-inch, just so we know that the gun will cycle 3-inch. I'm gonna put some of those through there. I'm not gonna like it. And then I have some Winchester Expert high velocity steel. These are 1325s. And then I have some Winchester. These are 1200, and the Remington Gun Club are 1200. Now, if you watch my Ivor Johnson video, you know all those, both those run well through it straight out of the box. So let me get set up here, and we'll start shooting this thing. Okay, for the sake of the video, I've taken the plug out so we can get 5 rounds in it. And these are the 3-inch turkey loads that I swore I'd never shoot again. But here I am. So smash time. You requested I blow something up. This is about as much of an explosion as you're going to get, because yeah, this about blows my shoulder up. So we're going to load our first round in there. Make sure we are on safe. So right off the bat, that didn't want to go in, so let's try this again. So we'll lock her to the rear, put our shell on the carrier, and the lip is not wanting the chamber, doing something wrong. Let's load it through the bottom here. That does have a very tight spring to get that in there. So we'll put 3 through here, and then we are on safe. And I'm going to rack one in. Oh, I didn't. Just, when you load your magazine, you got to remember to hit this to let your first round come out onto your carrier. So there it is. So our next round's staged up there. Alright guys, this is for the channel, because I don't want to do this. So it kicked that one out, but it did not bring the next round up in. So 3-inch magnum first shot, didn't feed it. Same thing, gets to right there and doesn't go all the way the rest of the way in. So got one more in there. Let's see what it does. Kick that one out. So, whew, that's hard. So I'm going to load up some of the Wolf buckshot, see how it runs. We'll put 5 in that. These are high brass. So maybe they'll function a little better. We'll see how they do. We'll put it on safe. We'll try this again. We'll drop our shell in there. See, it fed that one up in, so maybe the 3-inch is a little harder to get it to feed up in there. I know they're harder on me. Those are a pretty good looking round. Tools and targets, I think you shoot a lot of these. That's definitely a good looking round. My only problem is my Rule King is about an hour's drive for me, and ours has a 2-box limit, so it's not really worth driving over there to maybe find ammo. So this is our Wolf double-aught buck. Same thing, didn't want to feed in. We got 2 rounds that time. Looks like it's hanging up right there. You pull back slightly and it pops right up in there. Failed to kick that one out. So we're going to shoot some of these Winchester 1325s to see what it is. So you do get 4 plus 1. So you get 4 in the tube, 1 in the chamber. And these are the Winchester 1325 feet per second. Same issue. Pull back slightly, let go, and it comes on up. Same thing. Same thing. Does the same thing every time. Just slightly pull back and it shoots right on up there. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if that's something that it'll stop doing. Alright, let's give her 5 more rounds. Got 2 that time. And 3. Whew. She's getting hot. Ooh, she's hot. Shot 3 and then 2. So maybe it's loosening up. Alright, 5 more. Now we're going to try these Remington Gun Club. These are 1,200 feet per second. So we'll see if it'll function these through there. Remington gun clubs. That's all I had out here in that box. Now we'll try the Winchester Super Target. These are also rated at 1,200 feet per second. So it went on up in. She's hot. Maybe it just needs a little limbering up. And like I said, those are the Winchester heavy 7.5 shot. Just a target load. So this is the last 5 I got out here, so we'll put these last 5 through. And these are the Winchester heavy 7.5 shot. So far everything's, I mean, it had those first few initial jams, but other than that, I forgot to put one up on the carrier, so it didn't load. So anyway, there at the last is running perfect. So the first few shots, few hiccups, especially with the 3-inch and the buckshot. Had a few little issues there, but after that it started shooting fine. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna keep this one short because you know, it's getting ready to rain again. It's turning cold. I'm just excited to come out here and put these first few rounds through. Looks like after a little bit of shooting, maybe it'll be fine. So far I'm tickled with it. It shot the 1,200 feet per second stuff pretty good. So that was my biggest concern, is that it wouldn't shoot the light loads. You know, a lot of guns will shoot the heavy stuff and they won't shoot the light. Well, I don't shoot a lot of real heavy stuff, so yeah, I can tell already that it's, you know, that it's slicking up. It's becoming slicker. Good cleaning, and I believe it'll be all right. So anyway, that's just the first shots to it. Did have some issues there, I'm not gonna lie. Of course, you've seen them. Let's what the heck? Got 2 of these 3-inch turkey magnums left, and we're gonna give them a. See, it just don't like feeding the 3-inch for some reason. See, for some reason the 3-inch it struggles with, and it does have a 3-inch chamber, so that shouldn't be an issue. Maybe I'm not dropping it down on the carrier where it needs to be. But see it come up. See, I am having issues with the there it went. But putting that one in the chamber is kind of an issue. Push that one. We got it staged up there now. I can't believe I'm going to do this 2 more times. 3-inch magnum turkey loads. I never met a turkey I hated bad enough to shoot at it with one of these. see the 3-inch gets right up there at the top, and just likes that little bit going on up in home. So maybe after some cycling, it'll work just fine. That's weird that it didn't have a problem with the 1200 feet per second stuff, and it's kind of hanging up on this. Most guns are just the opposite. Oh, I see a pop can up there on the hill. Let's see if I can get it. And it did eject that one out. Anyway, guys, that's just the first few shots through the Hatfield. I intend to use this as my hunting shotgun this fall. It's fairly lightweight, be a good squirrel gun. Try to do some squirrel hunting in the fall, and I think this will be my chosen weapon. We'll put some more rounds to it on a better day and see how she cycles. I didn't count those rounds, but we put 5 3-inch magnums. I think I put 5 double-aught buck, 25, 35, probably close to 50 rounds. I didn't count them. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody that watches my videos and takes the time to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, and if you're not a subscriber, feel free to subscribe. And I appreciate everybody. And until the next video, I'll see you later.